Hi, sweet friends. Welcome back. I wanted to come on real quick. This is the second haul of 3 hauls that I have for summer. And this one was some items that I gathered at a couple of Goodwills. And I also have a haul that I have received from Amazon and Hobby Lobby. So let me go ahead and share this Goodwill haul. Now I did find a Americana basket and it's in good shape. It's pretty good size. It probably looks like maybe an 8 by 11, maybe 8 by 12. The handle is nice, it works. But what I'm gonna do with this, I'm not gonna put any florals in it, but for the 4th of July, our neighborhood puts on a big firework. A couple of the guys in the neighborhood go back to the field back here down at the end of the road here in our subdivision and set off some giant fireworks. So we like to sit out on the porch and I like to entertain a little bit. So my husband loved this last year, so I'll do it again. I got these little popcorn bags. I'll fill it up with buttery popcorn. You could, if you wanted to do a variety, and I'll link these in my Amazon.com storefront if these are something that you're looking for. But you could also fold it over and put a little colored, like construction paper if it has cheddar cheese on it, or if it's just buttered, you know, so it could be orange, yellow, or white to let somebody know what flavor they're getting. So our crowd isn't that big. I usually just fix buttery popcorn. My husband loved it, so I will be doing that again, and I will fill up this basket with lots of popcorn. And if any of the neighbors want to come and join us in the snacking fun, they're more than welcome. This little creamer I thought was cute. It's got some markings on it, but I'm not sure what it is. But there were no cracks. I love the little swirl design to it. So anyway, I know it's small. I would rather have some larger ones, but sometimes these small ones fill in some of those void spots, and they're just as cute. The next item I'm going to show you, it's just like a framed chalkboard. Somebody had I love you on there. So anyway, I will clean this up. I'm undecided if I'm going to paint it white, but I'm going to use this for my summer mantle, and I've got those videos coming up for summer decorating series. So this will go on my mantle, but I may just leave it in the dark. I picked this up, it had a strap on the back, but I took that off and it's gonna set up on my mantle, and I'm gonna add some patriotic words to it. Next item that I found was just this little tin. It's got a little, I think that's black, a little black handle. And it could be any kind of storage, but I was thinking I might put this in my laundry room. I'm not sure what I'll put in it, but how cute is that? So farmhouse style. So it'll either go in my kitchen or my laundry room. And we are still working on the laundry room. It's a slow process, but when we get that done, we'll share that video. Next item is just a wooden candlestick. I think this style would look better white with a little distressing because of the style that it is. But I'm going to show you some more that I picked up. But I think I'm going to paint this one white. And this I can use throughout anywhere in my home. These, I've been wanting some of the black candlesticks, and I love the way that this is done. And It's almost like a gold finish, not a bronze, but I want some black ones, so I got 2, and I'm gonna paint those in a matte black, and I'm gonna use those. I don't know if I'm gonna use it now or I'm gonna wait and use it during the holidays, because I have a plan what I'd like to do for the holidays already. Next item is this little vintage tin candle holder, and it's got a handle. This is probably about 7 inches high and probably about 5 inches in diameter, and it's got a little hook. You can hang this on the wall, and I would put just a little battery operated candle, and this is going to go in my primitive office. I don't have prices, guys. I apologize. It probably wasn't very, I think Goodwill now is almost $4.99 on everything you touch. You know, yes, they have went up. Wooden, it says handcrafted, designed in the USA. I don't know, but it says love for maybe Valentine's Day, but I could paint it and put anything on there I want. So I went ahead and picked this up. It could put a wooden initial on it, just a lot of different things to do with this. I am looking for baskets to go in my kitchen, as I said. So I found this little tray basket, and it's not real big, but how cute would that be in my kitchen, maybe with a little lamp, maybe for my tea stuff to sit there. I do love the color. This was probably, I don't know, $2.99 to $4.99. I'm not sure what it was. They took all of my prices off, so so on the average $5 for everything we've seen individually. So anyway, this looks like it's maybe about a 12 by 9, and I can also hang this up on the wall. I can display it behind items and use it as a tray. So a lot of different things. These little items were, I don't know if they were sold individually or as a set. I just picked them up. They are little wooden frames. They have the little brass hangers on each one, and it says love, hope, and faith. And although I do love what it says, and that can remain in the back, I'm going to add some photographs. My husband and I were talking about doing some of the barns that we have seen locally and just getting some small black and white pictures to put in here. This is a cream color. I would paint it white or black. I'm not sure yet. And then these will hang one below the other on the wall with some pictures that we have taken of things locally. I don't know, we may go through some photographs and find some of my husband's grandparents, their old place back in West Virginia. So we may find some of those and put those in there. But I thought that would just fill up a little wall space somewhere, that sort of looks bare, and fill that up, and can change the pictures out. I could even do something seasonally with these. Another basket, I really did like this basket. I love the handles on it. Thick, very sturdy. So I can use this as a tray. I can use this for, I don't have a coffee table. I asked Mr. Fix-It to make me one, but he'll have to get his shop up and running. We've already ordered the legs for it, but we'll have to put that together one day. But I can hang this up on the wall either way. I can display it behind things, or use it as a tray. So I did really like that one. And I have one other basket. I try to pick up the odd kind of baskets that, you know, not things you see every day at Goodwill, because some of the Goodwills you'll go and you'll see the same kind. And I think there's some kind of floral baskets that maybe flowers were put in. But this one was a very unique basket, and I really like that. I love the handle on it. It's all twisted there in the bottom. So this one is going to go up in my kitchen on the top of my cabinets, and I really like that. And I'm not sure, I may put a couple of old vintage jars in here, or maybe a tea pitcher with some vines in it. I don't know. I'll think of something, and when I do, I'll be sure and show you that. So that's all that I picked up, just a few items from a couple of Goodwills while we were out of town, and I just wanted to share that with you. Now, I do have one other haul before I get started on decorating for summer, and I will share that with you here soon. So guys, I appreciate you stopping by and visiting with me, and thank you all for being here. And I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that God blesses your day and your week and your year. Until my next video, bye.